Hey everybody, Stephen Sitkowski here, leading educator on how to trade the financial markets. So, been crazy, to say the least, right? We get hit with this coronavirus. The market drops on the Dow about 3,500 points in a little more than 3 days. And then all of a sudden, on Friday, the market goes up 650 points from its low, and it did it in about 15 minutes. And then today, the markets were a little skittish at the beginning of the day. We've had some more deaths in the state of Washington, and then somehow calmed itself, and we were off to the races. And so now everybody's question is it safe to get back in, and where are the opportunities? So keep in mind, this is not investment advice, purely for educational purposes. You need to do what is suitable for you. But I'm going to give you some things that I'm sort of looking at or have done. Let's start by taking a look at the SPY, the general market. So basically, I'm going to draw the trend lines. And this is what they looked like. And then we came, of course, crashing below that, which means time to get out. Big trouble, and the market made a big tumble. All right, so that's what happened. All news driven. Nothing to do with the economy, not a problem there. Everything is, are we going to be facing a pandemic? Well, now you can see that the market in the last couple of days has started to rebound. MACD is still red. The RSI has now turned positive. So we've had a little positive momentum. So, is it safe to get back in? Safe, I think, is the wrong word. It's not safe, but might there be some money to be made? Yes. So I started taking some positions, and I'll just tell you some things that are going on. Again, not that you should be doing the same thing that I'm doing, but I have a bullish trade on right now on Nvidia. I'll show you this chart. So you can actually see the trade right here. Bought a 265 strike call, sold a 295 strike call. And what do I like about Nvidia? It is trading above its 30-day moving average. So, and this thing could go, if it went back up to previous highs, go up to 315. Right now, it is at 275. There's 40 points potentially in this stock. Why did I do a spread trade here? Because the volatility right now, meaning how expensive the options are, through the roof. So if I clicked on options for Nvidia as an example, the current implied volatility is 72. The average was 41. So that means these options are super expensive. So instead of just buying one, I bought one, and I also sold one to help mitigate the exposure to implied volatility. Bank of America. Let's look at their chart. I have a trade on Bank of America, as you can see. And basically, here's what I did. I sold a put option with a strike price of 25. This chart only goes down to 26. So basically, I'm going to pick up around 3% in a relatively short period of time, I think 18 days. And if Bank of America falls below 25, then I'm going to be forced to buy it. I'll buy Bank of America at 25 all day. And if I get in, then I'll just turn around and sell some call options against it. If we wanted to look at a 1-year chart on B of A, you can see it hasn't been below 25 in a long time. So if it gets down there, I'll buy it. It's a company that makes a whole bunch of money and pays little dividend, and I'll take it. And again, I'll just sell call options. I did this same thing with Wells Fargo. So I sold 40 strike, you can see it right there. Sold a 40 strike put on it. So in any event, if the price of the stock drops below 40, boom, I am in. and happy to own it at 40. Happy to own it at 40. Things that I'm looking at moving forward. This is Cardinal Health, really good company, and you can see how it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and now it's starting to head back up. If that has positive momentum tomorrow, may take a look at it. And then the Qs. So these are the Qs. I look at the last 2 days. I'm expecting that to continue to go up. Again, as long as we don't get any bad news. So are there opportunities in this market? No question about it. The market is subject to a whole bunch of news. So you got to keep your eye on it. I mean, if we end up with more problems from the coronavirus, it could absolutely wipe out every bullish position. And then again, I would be looking to go bearish at that point in time. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to be conservative. I'm trying to make sure that I don't have all my eggs in one basket. I have plenty of money that I'm keeping in cash. But those are a couple of ideas. And again, is it safe to jump back in for those of you that got out? I don't know. I think tomorrow will let us know. But if I knew what the news was going to look like in the future, it'd make this real easy. But I don't, you don't, none of us does. So that's where we're at for now. If you have not already subscribed, by the way, I've built this following, no advertising, all sort of word of mouth. I think we're up to about 400 subscribers now. If you're not one of them, click on it. If you click on the notification bell, every time I post something new, you will be notified. And these are times when you're definitely going to want to stay up to date with what is happening. Okay, so until next time, God bless, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye for now.